Hey, good afternoon. My name is Ashley. So I wanted to go over a couple of things here, talk about some services that we offer, and talk about what you could be looking for and so on. So to start, I went and Googled commercial HVAC contractors, Roanoke, Virginia. And this area right here is what's called the Map Pack. And the top three listed here are the ones that receive a lot of work because they're super easy to find and they're listed right away. And the way you can get yourself into these top three is by first having a Google business profile. Second, filling it out as much as possible with the name, the hours, the phone number, the photos, making sure everything is filled out. And third is putting your business name, address, and phone number into as many online directories as possible. And directories are things like Yelp and Yellow Pages. And having your information in those online directories are really going to help power your profile. And the websites listed below here, these are what's called the organic search. And the same things apply. You want to be on the front page and ideally within the top three so that people can find you. So pulling up your website, the main thing I wanted to talk about was having about 1,500 to 2,000 words on the home page primarily. And this is for a couple of reasons. And the first reason being is that if your competitor has, we'll say, about 1,000 words, then you're going to want to have at least 1,500 words because you want to beat out how much content your competitor has. And the second reason is that Google has what we call crawlers. They go through, they read the content of your website and try and figure out what services your business offers, what areas you serve, and the more content that you have on the site, the more of an expert you're going to look like in Google's eyes. And then within the content, you want to have keywords. And keywords are things that people are searching for. So for example, how I Googled commercial HVAC companies, Roanoke, Virginia, if you have that all over your website, it's going to become really relevant for that search. And Google is going to be more willing to put your website higher to the top. So when you look at your website, it's really important to make sure you have enough content on here and the keywords throughout, and that's really going to help that website rank. So I wanted to kind of pull up one of the competitors in the area just to kind of show you what you're up against. And I have a paid program that I use to show you that. And I put in HTF Mechanical Services just to kind of show you, but I really want to first go over the UR and the DR ratings because these are super important where you fall in the Google search results. And a UR rating is essentially a trust rating with Google, and a DR rating is a power rating with Google. And so these numbers are looking at the overall site, how powerful it is, how trustworthy it is, and the higher up they are, the more powerful your site is, and the better you're going to rank in the search results. And one of the ways that you can increase these numbers is through a thing called a backlink. And all a backlink is just a shout out from another website that's endorsing you, and they're sending a link back to your site through a clickable text. And we can click on the ones that they have, go through those, get those for your website, and then get additional ones as well. So lastly, I want to talk about the organic keywords in the content that I mentioned before. So for example, we'll pull up what keywords that HTF is being found for, and so just kind of going through, the volume column is going to tell us how many people are searching for what keywords in a month. And that's kind of what we want to look at. So looking at HVAC companies, Roanoke, Virginia, just simple, 20 people look for that. HVAC Roanoke, Virginia, 150 people look for that. HVAC Roanoke, 70 people look for that. HVAC contractors in Roanoke, Virginia. So that kind of thing is what they're being found for. But just to give you an idea of what that looks like, it's really important to get in front of these people. And if you're able to get in front of more people that are searching for those terms, the more people are going to find your company and the more people are going to call, and then in turn, the more business you're going to get. So I hope this information was helpful for you, and I look forward to speaking with you and discussing opportunities. So take care and have a great rest of your day.